especially if it's a new development. Having a big butt as a teenager can be a challenge, whether because it brings unwanted attention or just causes you to feel uncomfortable in your new body. The good news is that a few style tricks can help you disguise your larger butt if you haven't yet adjusted to it. For girls, big butts can be downplayed by shapewear and A-line silhouettes or balanced out by bringing attention to your upper half with tops that add weight or curves to your shoulders and chest. Guys may want to shift focus from a larger butt by choosing well-fitting shirts and leaving tops untucked when possible. Another option is to distract from the butt area with flashy and attractive shoes. Dark colors and properly sized bottoms will also go a long way for any teenager hoping to downplay their backside. It's important to get perspective too. Having a big butt is not a bad thing. Many people actually think big butts are desirable features, and it's very possible that yours will feel natural and even make you more confident in time. Staying active and eating healthy will also contribute to a more positive relationship with your body in the long term. Overall, while your big butt may seem like a big deal, it's only natural.